What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create these amazing text effects on Canva for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After this, go to our Canva. You can be into the mobile app, you can be into the website, into Windows app. Just go to Canva. Go to a new design, create the design to the size that you wish, okay? And review the left sidebar of menus and hover mouse over apps. Let's find out. Here we have apps next to projects. And right here we're gonna search for deep text, just like this. We're gonna be able to find a couple of options, but the one that we're looking for is this first one right here, deep text, with this head D. And right here we're gonna be able to choose lots of text styles. Some are premium, some are free, all up to you and to your needs, okay? I'm gonna keep all for free and choose this element right here, but you can choose any one that you wish. I love this one, by the way. And right here all you have to do is type your text. Simple, right? Then you can choose the font, you can choose the alignment of the text, you can choose the line spacing, you can letter fill, in the case that you wish to play with the colors, just like this, for example. The outline, you can play with the outline colors as well. The projection, all up to you. The special effects, I love this feature. And after, all you have to do is enter this on your design, just like this. Fancy, right? What else can we do? This one right here. We can play with the layout. In the case that you wish, there is a couple of layouts to play with. Let's keep things for free. We can drag to rotate. We can change the positions. And into style, we can change the letter fill, outline, projection, and the special effects. Same right here. After doing the change, all we have to do is apply this on our text, on our design. And of course, you can double click to reopen this left sidebar of editing tools. You can go back using this little arrow and combine other text styles. This one looks fancy, don't you think? Go there. And into this way, you can use and create unique fonts and text styles for your designs. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, plugins, and many more tools to create your sites. See you guys later. All the best!